Okay, we got a lot of new cars that went on today. Of course, you can check that out on our website. That's maplemotors.com. But here, you're going to be able to walk the whole entire lot. I'll tell you prices and show you all the new inventory. Okay, guys, it's about that time. Let's do another lot walk. Sure you already know, but welcome back. Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. And if you're new to the channel, of course, hit subscribe and share this video. We're going to get started here across the front row. I'm going to tell you the year, the model, and the price of each car. Each car has its own test drive video, and week by week we try to catch up and put those in the videos. That way you know what you're getting. We got a bunch of cool stuff in today. Look at this Chevelle sitting here. Got the Charger on the other side. By the end of the video, if you don't mind, pick out your favorite ride. Let me know in the comments. I'll tell you what mine is as soon as it's over here. Show you some of the cars that did sell before I could even list them. That does happen week by week. It's usually about, I don't know, 3 or 4 cars. Okay, again, detailed pictures, finance, and shipping. Website's maplemotors.com. You can find more information below in the description. Let's get started. I haven't got to make the test drive video on this one yet, but I will. It'll be one of the first ones I get to after I get everything uploaded today. I got 5 of them done out of all the new rides. I think we put on 9 or 10. This one in the corner here with the shade door handles is a 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle. And I believe it was priced $32,900. Again, that review will be coming out probably on Tuesday or Wednesday. I got 4 to do. I won't be able to get all those done today, so I'll have to work into tomorrow, weather permitted. Another new one. This one just came in. Oh, Fairlane. This one's a crew cab Fairlane, priced at $14,900. It's got the 4-door. Great design. Pretty sweet ride there. Next to that, the 55. We got this one last week. It's a 55 210 4-speed car, priced at $32,900. What about a 56 210? Right next door to the 55, it's at $29,900. '66 Chevrolet Impala. This is a true SS car, priced at $31,900. And of course, next to that, a 1970 Dodge Charger. This one's got the 440 V8, priced at $51,900. Right here in the middle of the lot, we got a 2001 Chevy S10 pickup truck, but it's got an LS1 conversion, and it's priced at $11,900. This thing sounds awesome too. You got to check that video out. It's a pretty fast truck. Okay, so we're gonna get going down the right side of the car lot here. With what's first up is a 1968 Olds Cutlass. This one's priced at $25,900. Next to that, 1972 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. And this was priced at $17,900. And we got another Charger here. This one's from 1972, and it's priced at $19,900. Something new, a 1969 Chevrolet El Camino. It's blue with black interior, vinyl top at $16,900. Check this beast out, 1970 Chevy Monte Carlo, priced at $19,900. Set of Kraggers, disc brakes. Next to that, a 1975 Chevrolet Impala, priced at $17,900. Of course, this one back here is already sold. The old four-door Cadillac. But we do got a couple trucks sitting here, and the Ranger is one of the new ones. Aftermarket set of wheels from 1974. It's an F100 Ford, priced at $12,900. And next to it is a 1966 Chevrolet step-side pickup truck, priced at $19,900. Okay, still got the rest of the lot to show, but I gotta show you something else first. Come on, let's go check it out. Oh, you knew it. We was going to Pops' Hot Wheels room here. He's got a little bit of everything for sale, and if you want to check this out, it's a collectible store here on YouTube. Jim Fights Hot Wheels channel. Just type that in the YouTube search bar. Pull up some of the videos. Also, Instagram, TikTok, that's kind of like a daily post center. So if you go there, you could see pretty much a car or two or 5 or 10. I don't know. Every day, something will be posted. So go there, check it out. That's Jim Fights Hot Wheels channel here on YouTube. You can also find the link below. I make things easy and put them in the description. All right, let's get out of here. Okay, well, the showroom is full, but the only car I have available in here at the moment is this 1941 Willys Coupe, priced at $45,900. And of course, there's a video going over the flaws on this one too. Let's get back out there on the lot. So something a little different here is a 2012 Colorado, priced at $12,900. Of course, coming up on the back, this truck already sold. You may have seen it last week in some videos out there floating around, but this one is already sold. That's why I say don't call about certain things. This one's a 1975 Lincoln, priced at $79.50. And then, of course, beside it's a 1967 Chevrolet C10 step-side, priced at $99.50. Right here on the corner by the showroom is a 1967 Dodge D100 pickup. This thing's pretty sweet. Set up like a gasser, priced at $24,900 with a Hemi. Beside the office is an Air Ride Sonoma, priced at $10,900. This thing's all custom from 2002. Dropping off the porch here. This is Mustang Row. Every once in a while we'll fill up this side of the lot with the same model car. Just so happens right now it's a bunch of Mustangs. Of course, springtime's about to hit. All these convertibles will be gone by then. But this is a 1967 Ford Mustang sitting here. Convertible, $35,900. Next to that one, 1967 convertible at $27,900. And then a 70 model at $22,900. And of course this 66 model right here at $32,900. And then the 65 Ford Mustang at $32,900. Couple fastbacks at the end here too. This is a 65 fastback with a 3-speed inline 6-cylinder, $32,900. And then another 65 fastback, but this one's got the 289, again, $32,900. Coming around the back side of them. It's pretty sweet to have this many at one time. Even sometimes if I get two of the same car, I'll put them side by side and start the test drive video. We should do something cool since we have so many of them at the moment. Maybe I'll think of something here. Okay, 1967 Camaro sitting here. Awesome paint scheme. Test drive video is coming out today. Priced at $35,900. Next to that, this is a 68 Firebird convertible, and it's priced at $34,900. Then of course we got another Camaro sitting here from 1972 with a vinyl top, aftermarket wheels, priced at $32,900. And a 1971 Camaro, looks like disc brakes, aftermarket wheels, custom interior, $25,900. All right, guys. So what we got to do is make our way around the lot one more time, make sure we didn't miss anything. Let's go ahead and walk one more lap. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe and share this video. That helps me out quite a bit. I'm sure you hear that from all the channels out there. That's because it does. Leave me comments below. What's your favorite ride that we've gotten in this week? Still thinking here. I'm a big Camaro guy, so I like the 67 Camaro. I think that's going to be my pick. Coming across the front row here. Again, we're a family-owned business of 40 years. We go through about 60 cars a month here. That means we're buying at least 2 to 3 a day. And you always see something new every time you tune in. Every once in a while we'll get some cars that'll sit around for, you know, a few weeks or so. But every single one of them always sell. I do the videos for the test drives. My uncle does the pictures, so you get two perspectives on the car. And if you want to get pre-approved with our financing, it's very easy. You don't even have to call anybody if you don't feel like it. But it's all online. You can also get shipping quotes. You will have to call somebody if you want a shipping quote. Always check and make sure we're open before you come down. Also, don't just see a car online here and then drive in. Give us a call. Make sure it's still available. Like I said, we go through a lot of vehicles here. Try to give you some tips. I said that I'd run through the sold bay real quick. We do got a few things in here. Old Monte Carlo, Tahoe, Suburban back there that has sold. Camaro. Got the Charger sitting here. It's sold. No, dark convertible. Y'all seen this Camaro, I believe. I think this was the 75 that we put on last week. It's already sold. We do buy newer sports cars, but this is, like I said, a 2002, so it's not super new. It's still, I guess that's considered an antique now. We're getting pretty close. And of course, you've already seen this. There's a whole test drive out on this vehicle. It's already sold as well. Same with that old truck there, and of course the Lincoln is available, and the step-side truck here is available as well. Okay, got the low rider. Guys, I do appreciate you watching. I'm going to be putting videos out every single week, every Monday. That's the only day that we update the website with new cars too. So it's important you check on Monday mornings, because I get people all the time, well, you just posted it. No, that was 2 days ago, sir. It can't sell that fast. Of course it can. It can sell in 5 minutes. And some of them do. But we're always getting new rides, so don't get discouraged. I know a lot of y'all do. There's a lot of people watching, and they're ready to pick up the ride that they've been waiting on. Just like you. Again, maplemotors.com is that site that we update every Monday. Test drive videos are going to be coming out all week, every week. And with your help, I can keep doing this. So again, subscribe, share, hit like. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Later, guys.